Welcome to our channel. Building a complete entertainment setup on Fire Stick means combining multiple legitimate services strategically. Follow these step-by-step instructions for comprehensive coverage. Step 1. Choose one primary streaming service as your foundation. Netflix for diverse originals, Disney Plus for family content, or HBO Max for prestige programming. Step 2. Add complementary services that fill content gaps. If you have Disney Plus, add Hulu or Netflix for more adult content. Step 3. Include free services like Pluto TV, Tubi, Freevee, and YouTube. These provide thousands of additional options at no cost. Step 4. Subscribe to a live TV service if you watch sports or news regularly. YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, or Sling TV all offer live channels. Step 5. Add niche services based on specific interests. Crunchyroll for anime, Criterion Channel for classic films, or Masterclass for educational content. Step 6. Install music apps like Spotify or Pandora for audio entertainment alongside video content. Step 7. Use library services if available. Canopy and Hoopla provide free movies and shows with just a library card. Step 8. Budget carefully and prioritize services you actually use. Cancel any subscriptions you haven't used in a month. A thoughtful selection of legal services provides better entertainment than any single app claiming to offer everything free. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.